Hey MedSpa professionals, it's David from Aesthetic Solutions. I've been in the industry now for over 30 years and it gets better and better, and we're more excited because we offer more than we ever have. For instance, in the realm of training, right, that's in our blood, we absolutely love to train, and what sets us apart is number one, the variety, from laser training that we've been offering for over 17 years, PDO thread, absolutely Botox filler and regenerative, in addition to custom trainings on request. This is really who we are because we love to train, and what's really key is that we have small groups so that you learn a tremendous amount as well as a lot of hands-on. Most practitioners, we would all agree that you learn the most hands-on. So if you want to train, reach out to us, because from lunch that we provide to comprehensive training absolutely across the board, we are tops in the country and you will love to train with us. Additionally, we offer devices and products, not just in the training, but for your facility. We have worked with over 400 med spas to help them become very successful on the training side, device, product, marketing, as well as consulting. And it takes a business owner to help other future or current business owners to be successful. And that is why we are the one-stop shop to make you successful all across the board.